Today we are going to make an acquisition with our Keratron Nova. To do this, click on the corneal map, which identifies the start of the process for making the acquisition. Input the patient name, or more simple, start typing it. It will be shown those already present in the system. Select the interested one and press OK. Go forward with the arrow and you are in the acquisition environment. Now we go to make a simple acquisition. Activate auto shooting with double click on the bottom of the handle of the Nova or on the joystick of the dedicated base. Then at this point, when the auto shooting is activated, you can check here and also here above, click the handle of the joystick and the image appears. Then go to the center of the eye and overtaking the best focus position, going closer to the eye. After that, get a better centration and go back slowly. Then in this case, the equipment has already taken for acquisition. If you want, you can move to the left eyes and make acquisition of the fellow eye. In this case, let's go to see the acquisition we have made. The acquisition are these four. As you can see here, there is a confidence index, which goes give information regarding good centration and the right position of the vertex respect the cone sensor. The other key thing to check before saving is analyzing the repeatability check. Click on this icon, and as you can see, there are the repeatability check, and the repeatability is acceptable, but also provide the information that the first acquisition have to be erased to get better data. So let's go back, select the first one, press the red cross here, deselecting it, and retake the repeatability check. As you can see now, repeatability check is very good, with the deviation of 0.05 diopter. Now we can go back and safely save our data. All of them are stored in the system.